Aubrie loves drinking out of Mimi's cup. Look at her. She takes my cup with water, of course. That's all I drink. And she loves my cup, huh? She drinks a little too much sometimes. And she does these fake coughs. She just... Faker! You phony balloon. There's no way you're getting that in your mouth that big. You freaker! You phony baloney! Say it's a beautiful day in Mimi and Mama. We at the Humphrey Park, and when Aubrie went on the swings, and now we're sitting and she went down the slide with Mama, and now we are enjoying this beautiful weather. It is April 16th, I believe. 17th. Aubrie's birthday is Saturday. Today is Wednesday. Saturday, Aubrie will be 1. Who's going to have a birthday?
Right here. It's 997.
Hold on, Joe. How beautiful is she? Oh, I love her. I love you, Aubrie.
Is that good water?
When she wants my water, she points and she goes... That's how I know she wants my cup. You're going to fill that diaper up.
I was just going to say that.
You're going to fill that diaper up.
Heavy diaper. Oh, Mimi.
Who's here with you? Mama! And Mimi. Don't know if you can see me, but Mimi's here. Mimi. And baby. Okay, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye, Aubrie. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye, Mimi. I'm leaving. Bye.
Bye, baby.
Bye.
Bye.
No. Okay, I won't leave you. Bye, baby.